At Tint World, we carry and install a full line of audio and car electronics from the industry's leading brands. Our robust product line features car stereos, speakers, amplifiers, subwoofers, and full sound systems. We also offer car alarms, remote starts, radar detectors, advanced driving assistance systems, and much more. Whether you are looking for audio, video, or advanced driving assistance, Tint World has the technology for you. Our process is simple. Browse our exclusive audio and electronics products online, book your appointment, then bring your vehicle in at your scheduled time. Once you arrive, you'll be greeted by our staff who will review the details of your upgrade. Feel free to relax in our showroom while our technicians upgrade your vehicle, or you can drop it off and we'll contact you when it's ready. Once your vehicle is finished, one of our technicians will demonstrate your new equipment and answer any questions you may have. Life's too short to drive boring cars. Book your appointment today.